How to program your new Gliderol TM305C remote to operate your Glidermatic GTS 2000 or GTS Optima garage door opener. To start, carefully remove the light cover by pulling down on the tab near the front of the unit. You then locate and press the Learn button on the control board. The red light will illuminate to confirm the unit is in Learn mode. The position of the Learn button will differ depending on the age of your opener and the version of the control board being used within the unit. Your button will either be red, or if you don't have a red button on your board, the Learn button will be black with the word Learn printed below it. Now that the red light is illuminated and the opener is in Learn mode, press the large button on your remote once and wait until the red light on the receiver board turns off. Your remote is now programmed and ready to use.